World AIDS Day, which is the 1st of December, every year we always think of all the HIV patients across the globe and also remember the duties we have to alleviate their pains.
On World AIDS Day this year, UNAIDS is really urging us to address the inequalities which are holding back progress towards ending AIDS.
One of the actions needed to end AIDS by 2030 is to increase access to innovative HIV medicines, and MPP and its generic manufacturing partners are committed to equalizing access and delivering innovation to people who need it the most, especially in low and middle-income countries.
It's been roughly 40 years since HIV was first detected. Access to affordable ARVs over the years has changed HIV from a perceived death sentence to a chronic disease which can be managed.
We know over the last couple of years that our progress on HIV has halted. And this is a combination of the challenges that we've seen in global health with the COVID-19 pandemic, but also the shrinking resources that are available for HIV. It's really important that as a global community we come together and revisit the commitments that we've made, but also recognize where there are opportunities to do more.
Il faut que le nombre de gens qui sont sous traitement, qui est actuellement bien inférieur aux 90% qu'on avait et aux 95% qu'on espère, donc que ce nombre de personnes sous traitement augmente et qu'ils soient traités de façon efficace, on a la chance d'avoir une combinaison de tenofovir, lamivudine, de dolutegravir qui est fantastique, qui marche très bien, qui a peu d'effets secondaires et dont on ne voit pas comment il pourrait y avoir une alternative au moins pendant les 5 prochaines années.
Everybody has to work in unison, ensure that the patients are detected, the medicines reach the patients, and the medicines are affordable for the patient.
Health should be accessible to everybody, health should be a right, and more importantly, we should avert HIV being happening, and all the agencies are working together towards that goal.
I think we completely resonate with the equalized call that UNAIDS has given. We've always been great proponents of trying to bridge the treatment gap between what is available in the developed world and what is required in the access markets.
We have a new pipeline of medical devices, potentially long-acting tools, and other medicines that are coming that we need to ensure that all can benefit from equally.
The day will come, the new infections are very small in the world. That's the day where the World AIDS Day can be celebrated with a lot of joy and hope.